Creating an email in ActiveCampaign is straightforward and involves a few key steps. Log into ActiveCampaign. Go to ActiveCampaign's website and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. On the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab to access the campaign management area. Create a new campaign. Click Create a Campaign or a similar button. Choose the type of campaign you want to create. Choose a campaign type. For a standard campaign, select from the options such as regular campaign or automated campaign. If you choose automated, follow the prompts to set up automation triggers. Select a template. Pick a template from ActiveCampaign's library or choose to start from scratch. You can also import a custom template if you have one. Design your email. Use the drag and drop editor to add and arrange content blocks like text, images, and buttons. Customize the email with your branding and content. Set up campaign details. Enter the campaign name, subject line, and sender information. Configure settings like tracking options and segmenting your audience. Review and test. Preview your email and send a test message to yourself to check for any issues. Send or schedule. Once satisfied, click Send Now or schedule it for a later time.